Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today's video is the 5th Winter Nail Art Week design already. It is Friday today and I just wanted to do something pink and cute and girly. So this is what I came up with. It is kind of like a mixed kind of pink shade with a cute little like sugar nail, some AB crystals and a little snowman as well, which is super easy to apply. So if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So first up, as usual, start off with clean nails, and off camera I have already applied my favorite base coat at the moment. That one is by Essence, super affordable. Then I'm going in with a light pink color by Catrice. This one is called Do Not Worry, Be Happy. It is such a cute name. I really like it. And I am going to apply that to the thumb first. I really love this color. I am not sure if it is still in their collection, but they are coming out with a lot of new shades, like twice a year, every spring, summer and fall, winter as well. So maybe it is still in their collection. I'm not sure, but you can definitely check them out. They have a beautiful color range of polishes and most of them are around the €3 like price range as well, so they are quite affordable. So I just applied that to the thumb and the pointer finger as well. Then I'm going in with this rosy, like dusty rose color. This one is called Rosy Verve. It is from a limited edition, but there are a lot of like those dusty rose, like muted rose colors out there. So if you can't get your hands on this one, I am sure you can find a similar looking color in Essence range, even in Essie's range, or an OPI color as well. There are a lot of colors out there like this, so don't worry if you don't have the same one. And I'm going to apply that to the middle fingernail as well as the pinky nail. And for the ring finger, I'm going to apply a white base because I am going to apply a water decal on there. So the best thing you can do before you apply a water decal that contains some like brighter colors, make sure to always apply a white base layer first. I'm going to use 33 Wild White Waves by Essence. This one is so super opaque in just one coat, maybe 2 thinner layers if you want it to dry really quickly, because these polishes dry like crazy, really fast. So that's like something that's really nice of these polishes by the Shine Last and Go collection by Essence, but also sometimes a downfall because you have to work quite quick if you like don't want it to dry up on you, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to add some cute snowflakes, and I'm using a stamping polish as well as a plate by Nicole Diary. I got these sent out to me by Born Pretty Store. They actually have this brand in their collection as well, and if you want to, you can use my discount code, which is FEM20, which always gives you a 20% discount upon your purchase. So yeah, that's quite nice. So yeah, you can just check out that discount code if you want to. I always put it in the description box, so if you want to use it, you're free to do so. But I'm going to apply some beautiful snowflakes onto my thumb, my pointer finger, as well as my pinky, because I just love snowflakes. I just love them so much. And because I did use another stamping plate with snowflakes in my second design, I think it was like the frozen light blue gel polish design that I did on Tuesday, I did wanted to show another design with snowflakes, but with this plate, because I did mention this plate in that video as well. And yeah, I just love snowflakes. They're just so magical and unique and I love it. I always say like snowflakes are like people because everyone is different and has their own uniqueness and just style and everything. And yeah, I just love snowflakes. They're just cute and pretty, and I don't know, I just really like them. Maybe it's because we don't have much snow here in the Netherlands that once it snows it's like extra special and extra magical. I don't know, I just really love it. And actually this stamping polish by Nicole Diary is pretty neat. I really like it. I'm just going to apply a couple of different snowflakes to my nails. I actually did use some leftover stamping polish which was still on the stamper. The stamper I am using is by Essence, by the way. It is discontinued, but I really hope they will bring it back into their collection because it's really nice. But I am going to use some of those leftover snowflakes onto my nails, as you could just see me do for this pinky as well. It's just, I don't like to waste, even if it's just the tiniest amount of polish or like a stamped image. I just think if you're going to do multiple nails with different snowflakes, why not use one stamp for 2 nails, you know? So yeah, that were all of the stamped nails so far. While that is drying, I'm going to cut out the little snowman that I am going to apply to the ring finger. So we're going to apply this one to the nail with the white base. Make sure that the nail polish is completely dry before you place this one, because you do want it to be fully hardened out and everything. Otherwise, your decal may not last as long as you want it to. Of course, always make sure to remove the clear film if you have a decal with a clear film on top. Otherwise, you won't be able to take it off of the like white backing paper. You just want to leave it in the water for like 15 seconds, sometimes 20 seconds. It can depend on the specific brand you're using. I just got these decals from AliExpress. I get most of my decals from AliExpress because they're just really, really affordable. They are quite thin as well, so really easy to work with, and usually they don't curl up on me while placing them. So yeah, just slide off that little decal from the backing paper and just place it on top of your nail. I just wanted to zoom you in a little bit just to show you how I apply my decals. If you want like an in-depth information video on that, I did made one earlier this year. You can just look it up on my channel. I think it's called like how to apply water decals perfectly or something like that. And I actually show like full decals, full nail decals like this one, but I also share the smaller ones because I did get like a ton of questions like this year actually, like asking me what can I do to prevent them from curling up, how can I apply these, because you make it seem so easy, and it really is easy. Like maybe it is because I've done it so often that it's really easy for me to apply these decals, but you know, watching people working really teaches you a lot. So I'd say just check out that video if you want to know how I do so. Then I also removed any excess decal with a little bit of nail polish remover and a brush. I did this off camera because, as I said, I also showed that in my how to apply decals video. So again, if you want to check it out, you're free to do so. Then I wanted to place some cute AB crystals, and I got a ton of those, like different ones. And I'm also going to do a sugar nail with this beautiful super fine glitter by the nail team. Gemma actually sent these out to me a little while ago. I did a full-on video on all of the colors that she sent me. I used it in a couple of videos this Winter Nail Art Week as well, or at least the different glitters that she sent out to me. But I really wanted to do a glittery sugar nail to the middle finger. But the thing is, I also wanted to add some gems on forehand. So I am going to place some of those AB crystals first, and then I'm going in with the glitter, just dunking that on top of the wet layer of top coat. The top coat I am using here is one by H&M, if I'm correct. It's actually one I've been really loving lately. I just bought it just to randomly try it out, and I'm pretty impressed. It's a really, really nice one. I wouldn't say it's better than my Catrice top coats, which I live for, but it is quite nice. But to make this glittery sugar nail, I'm just going to dunk a whole lot of glitter onto the nail, and it will stick to wherever the top coat is applied. So just take note that you want to apply your gems first, or your crystals if you want to do a mixed sugar nail like this with gems and fine glitter. But yeah, just apply it, and you can also use a little fluffy brush to actually get rid of any excess after you've let it dry for a couple of minutes. So yeah, it's that easy. There's nothing else left to say about that sugar nail. Just place your gems if you want to on forehand in the wet layer of top coat, and then you just want to dunk in your glitter, let it dry, swoop away any like excess glitter that isn't stuck in the top coat, and that's it. Then for the thumb, I also wanted to add some random AB crystals. I did apply them a little bit differently than I did in the previous snowflake design last Tuesday, because then I placed them in the centers of the snowflakes, and now I'm just placing them randomly in the bare spots, like in between the snowflakes. So they're not touching the snowflakes whatsoever. I just really wanted to switch it up a little bit. And the cool thing about this is, because you are applying the crystals or the gems, however you want to call them, in a wet layer of top coat, you can actually move them around a little bit if you haven't pressed them really far or deep into that wet layer of polish yet. So yeah, that's just what I'm going to do. And here you could see me struggle a little bit because I always want my gems to be faced up, so they're really easy to pick up with my crystal picker up thingy, which is actually a crystal katana knockoff, which I got from Born Pretty store like a year, 2 years ago, I don't know. I even got a backup of that one because I love it so much. It just has a wax tip, which is really easy, and it's way more affordable than the real crystal katana, which is like 20 bucks. I bought this one for like $2.50 or something. So yeah, that was just pretty affordable in my opinion. But that was already the entire design. If you want to, you can go over all of the nails with a little bit of top coat. Of course, don't go over the crystals because that will only make them dull. And yeah, I really hope you liked it. I'm really excited about this design. I think the gems just tie it in perfectly. The snowflakes just stand out on the pinky nail. They are a little bit more of a softer look on the like soft pink Catrice polish on the thumb and the pointer finger, but I really like it so far. And I just think it's a beautiful sugary glitter nail with that glitter from the nail team. It actually is a rose gold holographic glitter, and I just love my holographic glitters. You guys know me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this design. I'm really excited about it. I've worn it. I think I tried to make this one last for a week, but because I had to record 7 designs, I had to cut it short and I only wore it for like 4 days or something. But yeah, I really love it and I'd love to know what you guys think about this. But thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.